Powder-actuated hand tools like the HILTI gun are very safe when used the right way. These tools provide fastening into concrete and steel and are an excellent and safe way to get a lot of work done in a short amount of time. First things first, you need the right PPE when operating this tool. You also need your gloves, your hard hat, safety glasses with side shields, a face shield if you're working overhead, and hearing protection. This tool is commonly used with a pole that can keep the person on the ground, and a face shield is not required for this. You should also make sure people working around you know you're working with this tool. Before using the tool, make sure you check your surroundings, especially if you're shooting through a wall. These fasteners can travel through walls, and if they hit someone, the results are never good. Basic parts of this gun include trigger, foregrip, power selector, guide fastener, and then obviously the grip itself. It's important to make sure you have proper fastener and load selection for what you are shooting. When you're inspecting these tools, should they begin to malfunction in any way, just alert your supervisor and get it out of the field for repair immediately. Operating this tool is simple when you know what you're doing. It's a two-step sequence where you first press the tool against your working surface and then you can squeeze the trigger. What's happening inside the tool is a powder shot drives a piston rod forward, striking the fastener to set it into the steel or concrete. When firing, try to keep both hands on tools and keep your elbows bent. Powder-actuated tools give off a good kick, and bent arms will help you handle that recoil. Have the power setting set properly on the tool. Make sure you're not overdriving or underdriving any fasteners. Never refire a shot that was underdriven. This can damage the tool. As with any cool tool like this, there's always a list of things that you're not supposed to do. Do not depress the gun with your hand over the end. It could fire unintentionally. And yes, this has happened. Never try to redrive a fastener that did not set correctly. Never point it at people. It's a gun, so don't be stupid. Make sure shots are stored securely and not thrown onto the floor. Never leave a tool loaded when it's unattended. Always remove shots when not in use or out of line of sight. Disassembling this gun to clean it is pretty simple. You're going to start by unthreading this. That's the rod and the guide housing. Then you'll move to the foregrip, unthread it like so, and then it separates. Now you're ready to clean and maintain the gun. One thing to look out for when you're reassembling is the notches that are on the part right here must line up with the notches in the top of the gun right here. Start it. Once you feel it good, press these two tabs in and begin threading the foregrip back on. Then drop the rod in and then rethread the housing guide on there. You can do a test by making sure that the gun depresses fully. When you're finished using the tool for the day, make sure that you store the gun properly as well as the shots. All unfired shots must be stored securely, and any unfired shots must be disposed of as hazardous material. You can speak to Southern Air Safety Team, the Safety Committee, or your supervisor with any questions about this tool or any other similar.